my previous analysis, and more just showing that I was correct and where I think price can move now. So look, we said we are going to see an M formation. We weren't going to let this liquidity here go untapped, and would you look, you couldn't get any more pitch perfect than this. We formed a perfect N formation before moving higher. Even in the Discord chat, I actually posted this chart. I said X is where I wanted to enter. However, unfortunately, I did not get that entry, as prices happened in an instant. However, any limit orders would have been filled, but unfortunately I didn't have any placed. I thought it would be a more slow move. But as you can see there, we posted this in a few Discord chats I run on, and look, what would you know, we followed through precisely. So I suppose now it's all about what's happening next. I hope a lot of you took that analysis and perhaps avoid shorting here and we're looking to enter longs. So look, we've had a rejection off the hourly here. This would have been my first take profit had I entered the trade, which unfortunately we did not get an entry on. Didn't bite the bullet here. I was going to go long. Thought maybe we could have came back down. I was actually looking, I actually did alert though that I wanted to long if we had bled more into here. I was kind of looking at 25.7ish. However, we pumped on PMI news today and I did not get the desired entry, which kind of sucks, but you know, shit happens. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at the moment. We've had this rejection here, although it's not the end of the world. I would have sort of expected that. What I'd be looking for right now, it sort of looks a bit like a W formation, and how these generally tend to play out. If I can get the chart open at the path tool, get your somewhat of a W. You generally pump, you retrace slightly, and then you move higher. So what we'd be looking at here is a rejection of the 50 moving average, a slight retracement, and then a follow-up through to the 200 moving average up here. So right now, I'm actually going to try if I can get a long position, perhaps maybe soon enough. I'll see if we hold here. If we don't hold and we come back into the range, it might look to low, maybe a bit lower down here. But I do think this liquidity up here needs to be tapped. I think we will test this, either the 200 or the 800 moving average on the 4 hour, or I think that will be the 800 on the 1 hour. Yeah, whichever. I do think that's going to get tapped. Just going to wait a moment because this move was very impulsive, so obviously we may recover it and we may get another chance to entry in and around down there. So that's just a quick update for you guys. Hope you took my analysis well yesterday, or not yesterday, a couple of days ago, about 4 or 5 days ago now, and I hope you used it well. See you in the next one.